Hey YouTube fam, I am back as I said earlier, which this quick reveal of this red robe. So as you can see, this is my Coach Rogue handbags, 1941 collection. I have the Rogue satchel in the color chalk. I got that last year in September and then received this red beauty on Monday, but my neighbor was so kind, held it for me until I got back in town, and I opened her up this morning. Okay, so this bag box arrived today, and the story of this is I was looking at, as you can see, it's from Jackson, Florida, so it's at the Coach headquarters warehouse. Um, so on the purse forum, on one of the thread was about the Nassau collection. That was my Rogue, my Coach unicorn bag, and I received the one in January, which I spent like I think it was like almost $700 on it, and I purchased it off Tradesy. And come to find out, when I received it, it was a fake. Um, so there was another young lady on there who posted about her getting this same style bag, my unicorn bag, the Nassau Space Rogue, but she purchased it from the Coach outlet. And all the outlets I call, they're like, no, they will not be able to order it because it's a retail store. So I, reached out to her and asked her which outlet did she go to, was able to assist her in getting the Space Rogue. And she also got it for 60% off. So I was like, okay. So she gave me the outlet and information, and I'll put the information down below if you're interested which outlet I reached out to. And I called them and I spoke to the lady, and she said, based on the system, it only showed they had two left in the country, and both of them were at the Jack's headquarters warehouse. She said sometime when it's less than five, sometimes it's not an accurate number. But she's like, let's go ahead and, she took my information. She said if it goes through, then finger crossing, most likely have a possibility that it'll be shipped out. So I gave her my credit card information and everything on the phone, and she put in the order, and it went through. And I got my receipt, and then she told me to call back the next day, which was Friday. And she said, yep, it's been sent out. So she gave me my tracking info. And now I know this is authentic because I'm just going to take this for my informational show. But so this is from Coach Outlet. She honored and gave me 60% off of it. And so I purchased this bag. It came out to $340, and then with shipping, it ended up being $390. Oh my gosh, this is definitely way bigger than the fake one that I got in January. It's a bit scaled down, more smaller, if that makes any sense. It was not as big as this. Oh my gosh, I finally got my real one. Yep, and the handles look like it's supposed to because it's real. So, and I got it for, the fake one I paid almost $700, and this one I paid less than $400 for an authentic. Isn't how the universe works? They say, don't like ugly. You over here trying to scam people. And you're not going to believe, I found a YouTube video where they're mass producing this style. And I'm so grateful to that outlet. You see how delicate this string is? Ooh. Oh, this is real. I can't believe it. She is gorgeous. And I got her for 60% off. I mean, I almost even purchased one off. I have found it off the Bang. And, it was authentic because I was able to see it, and they had the receipt and everything. But, it was being sold as, I think one was on Poshmark for almost $900. They were selling at retail price, or even more than retail price. But look at her. Y'all, there's no white background behind the shuttle. It feels nice and yummy. The edging has little, see, it's edged and complete. And it's more tapered here on the handles. So now that I got a fake one, I know what fake one feels like and see. So now, here we go, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at this beauty. Oh, I'm just like, oh. Got the 1941 thing here. Right here it says Coach 1941 instead of that fake ass one that said Coach New York. And I got this for 60% off. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. See how God don't like ugly? You try to scam people and the universe still came through. Oh, I'm so happy. I am in love with my road collection right now. So I have the red, I have the space, and I have my chalk. I think that looks pretty darn good, y'all. I'm going to do more detailed review of the bags, well, these two that I received this weekend. I just came on real quick to do the quick unboxing. I'm like, now I'm over the moon. I'm like, yeah, too excited, y'all. Too excited. Hey, y'all. All right, let me get back to work and finish this work day out. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.